Is your Xumo Box stuck on the language selection screen? Don't worry, it's a common issue, especially after updates or power outages. This happens due to software glitches or input device problems. The quickest fixes involve your remote and the OK button. First, ensure your remote has fresh batteries and is properly paired. Repeatedly press the OK button to cycle through language options. On the Xumo Box itself, locate the OK button, usually a central button. Press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds to trigger a reboot and clear temporary freezes. This often resolves the issue instantly. If the quick fixes don't work, try these advanced troubleshooting and reset options for Xumo. Start with a soft reset through the menu. Navigate to Home, then Settings, System, and select Restart. If that fails, perform a hard reset by unplugging the Xumo Box for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Still stuck? Try a factory reset, which erases all data and restores the box to its original state, requiring you to set it up again. Before resetting, always check your HDMI and power connections and ensure your Wi-Fi signal is strong. Consider using the Xumo Stream app on your phone for diagnostics and additional reset options. As a last resort, contact Xumo support for assistance or possible hardware replacement.